After logging in for the first time, you should secure your user information with a custom password. To change your password, start by selecting your username in the top right corner on any page. Next, select the Change Password button. The Change Password window will appear. Enter the password provided in your login credentials email as the old password. Enter a custom password as the new password. All passwords should have a minimum of 8 characters, with at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. Enter the custom password one more time to confirm it. Finally, select the Submit button to save the changed password. You will now use the custom password for logging in. The previous password will no longer work. You can repeat this procedure at any time to change to a different custom password. If a user forgets their password, they can either ask their local administrator to reset it or contact Mainsaver support for assistance.